Hello, my revivers. I hope you guys can see this very well. And this is a basically review. I already unboxed it. My daughter unboxed it for me. Review of my new tripod. So excited. I bought this Dynex tripod in, oh my gosh, I want to say it was 2000 and I want to say 11, 12. It's about 7 years old because I know Rizzy was about 3. So that's how old this is. So I held on to it, and I'm showing you guys this because a lot of times people just buy stuff to buy stuff. When I can't utilize it no more and it is literally breaking on me, that's when I do what I do. For some reason, it broke here. Y'all see it got paint on it from doing work around the house. This is what balances it and keeps the top steady. It won't stay in. It always comes out. So that's why a lot of my videos were crooked. If you didn't know that, you see how it's crooked. And I had to get another one. So I went on eBay and I found this one. This had great reviews, but it was like $59. I paid $59 for this one back when I bought this one. And now this one is like 80 something. Well, this brand has went up, but this looks more substantial. It is 72 inches tall. This one right here is right to, let me see. I don't know if I can record me, but this is how it is to me. So it's kind of difficult even with the tripod when I'm doing like the room or cleaning videos. I did need something taller like that. This right here also is, this right here also is not only unbalanced, but these legs for some reason keep coming out where I have to keep screwing them back in. They won't stay in. So it's like a lot of adjusting just to get it right. And if I move it the wrong way while recording, it could fall off the tripod. And that's happened a million times in the middle of lives, in the middle of cleaning videos, in the middle of a lot of things. So it was time. And what happened was this fell. The camera fell and that came out and messed up a video. And my husband was like, babe, it's time. Now, let's look at my new baby. It has a weight on it. Anchor for a weight. This is like if you're doing filming in any areas where it's windy or something like that, you can actually put some weight on it. Now, this was pre-owned. I found this bad boy. It's pre-owned. I think they said they use it once or twice and it's just been sitting in the box. So it came in the original box off of eBay. They had everything still to it. And it came with its original bag. Nice, still look brand new. And I seen one of these on eBay and I had it in my car. I said, well, you know what? Polaroid is a good brand and I think I might just go with that one. And something just said, keep looking. So I continued looking and I found this bad boy. And the person was selling this for $38.99 or something like that. And I just went out on a whim and I said, you know what? They allow you to make an offer. I made an offer of 20 bucks. It was $38.99 with $8.95 shipping. I said, the one that I wanted to get that wasn't Polaroid that I seen that had good reviews as well was like 28 bucks. And I was like, let me see if I can ask them to sell this to me for $28. So I asked them to sell it for $28, which was my offer, and they accepted within 5 minutes. So I ended up getting this brand new 72-inch amazing freaking tripod. Very substantial. It has cushioned legs. Not only that, it has a handle. It has the anchor to put weights on it so it won't blow away. And it also has a leveler. Now this one has a leveler as well. No cushion, no handle, and it goes up higher. The legs are much thicker than that one. Yeah, and this also has these funny legs at the bottom where they kind of move around with the tripod. When you move it in certain directions, they kind of move around. I don't know if I'm showing that right, but anywho, so that's my new tripod. I got this on eBay and I ended up paying a little less than 29 bucks for this, and it's a 72-inch, and I love the fact that it is major tall. I could not wait for it to come because look at the difference. When you're doing a room and can look over the whole room with the camera, it's a total difference. I'm going to try to input footage of it on this tripod and then on this tripod so you guys can see the difference and how it expands the room and give you more view. So let's go take a look at that. Oh, it also has quick release. I'm sorry. And that's where you put your phone or your camera in. Like right here, you stick your camera or your phone in. And I have a couple of these. And you can release it or have another one. I have extras where if I wanted to put a camcorder or some other type of camera, or somebody else wanted to put their camera on and I didn't want to take mine off and avoid messing up my footage. So, yeah. And this one has quick release as well, where you could take them out like that. So let's go back to this one. Another quick thing I just noticed, if I put this really close together, like, let me see. Sometimes I'll see, I can't even put it close together because this middle part acts funky. But this one, I can close this closer and closer together like that. It has balancing legs. Y'all see how far apart these legs are? I can't even push it close together because the more that you push it together, the higher it gets, because now it's extending. So this one does do that. Look at this. Just look at that. Y'all see that? All messed up, broken. All right, let's put y'all in here and show y'all what I'm talking about. So here we are with the 72-inch, and I'm just gonna tilt it a little bit, but I'm gonna bring you all the way up like this. Y'all see that? And see how I can capture so much more of the room being at a taller distance. It's so tall I can't even really see through it. But yeah, being at a taller distance, I can capture more of the room. Now watch how when I put it in the same spot in that tripod and how the different angles show up. Same spot, other tripod, leaning, picture's crooked. I used to have to do like this with it. Now watch when I let it go. Now let it go. That's what happens. Picture is supposed to be here, like there. It's showing leveled, but when I let it go, it goes like this. So I used to have to hold this just to record for you guys. That's what the tripod is, standing up by itself. Nice and crooked. So, yep, and that's why I decided to get another one. And this is the actual highest that this tripod will go. Let me show you. Look, see, this is extended. It won't go up anymore. And it just keeps rocking back and forth. Not cool. Not cool at all. So that is a review of my tripod. It was something else I wanted to show you. Now there is also a leveler up here on this one. And these are universal quick release things here. But there's also one up there. Could y'all see that one? There's one up there as well. And this swivels all the way around. You can tighten it. It just feels so good. It feels like it is going to last for a while. So I'm excited about that. Yep, so there is my review of my Polaroid tripod. I guess they call it, it's either 72 inch or 183 centimeter tripod. And it just shows you all the things that it can do, which I am so excited. And I think that's Spanish. And all the features. And this is what it looks like. And I was leery, but this seller really took care of this. This looks like, I mean, they got one little teeny scratch that I seen, but it looks like it is so worth it. Let me take her off the rug. Yep, so worth it. So worth it. Nice and tall and not leaning. So, all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. You know, I always want to share stuff that can be a good bargain to you. Do not be afraid to make an offer. Always when you're buying on eBay, scroll down. When you see view in cart or buy now, scroll down, because a lot of sellers, I'm so tongue-tied today. A lot of sellers allow you to make an offer, and a lot of times they do that because if it's sitting too long or if they don't know if they made the right decision on pricing, they'll allow the customer to make a price. And a lot of times if they're trying to get rid of it and it's just sitting around, you can get a big bargain. And like I showed you guys, I almost saved what, 19 bucks, because he wanted almost 40 and I only paid 20 before shipping. So a total of like $28.95 total. Well, I did pay taxes, so it was a little about 32 or something like that, but still cheaper than the one that I was going to get, meaning as far as quality. So it was so worth it. And I just love this, just to grab it and it just moves so smooth wherever I need it to go, and I can record and move like that. And I also have a monopod. I don't know if I showed you, but I also have a 72-inch monopod, and that's for when you go into concerts and stuff like that. I can use that, and I can literally lift it up above the crowd so you guys can get really good views. And I think for now on, when we go to like big events and stuff, so you guys can get a real good view of it, I'm going to start using the monopod. I bought that like 7 months ago, and I never used it. And I was upset because I thought it was a 72-inch tripod, and it was for the low. So yeah, but I said, you know what? It will come in handy for something. So I love you guys. Remember, stick to your script because you are the best at it. And if you have any questions about this video or any questions about this tripod, make sure you leave them below. And I can put the link to where I got this, but I don't think they have anymore because I think this was like a regular one, you know, a person just selling something on eBay. So I'll talk to you guys later, gators.